Hi, this is Mr. Murphy. Welcome to Lesson 3 in the Number Systems Common Core State Standards. This is standard 7.NS.1.B, a substandard of our first standard, which I did a little earlier. Understand P plus Q as the number located at a distance, the absolute value of Q from P in the positive or negative direction, depending on whether Q is positive or negative. Show that a number and its opposite have a sum of zero, are additive inverses. Interpret sums of rational numbers by describing real-world contexts. There are three distinct things here, so I'll explain on 3 slides. Actually, more than 3 slides, but 3 groups of slides. The first part, understand P plus Q as the number located at distance, the absolute value of Q from P in the positive or negative direction, depending on whether Q is positive or negative. So basically, that's saying if you're adding a positive or negative number, or even subtracting a number from another number, it will always be the same distance from the original number. So, like 4 plus 3 will be the same distance away from 4 as 4 plus a negative 3. Also, 4 minus 3 will be the same distance as 4 minus a negative 3. They'll all be the same distance away. They'll all be 3 distances away. Because the second number is always 3 or a negative 3. So let's look. Oh, what are those funny lines around Q? Those are the symbol for absolute value. It basically means the positive value for the number you're talking about. The official definition is, in mathematics, the absolute value, or the modulus, of a real number is the non-negative value without regard to its sign. So the absolute value of 3 is 3, and the absolute value of negative 3 is also 3. Like the absolute value of 1/2 is 1/2, and the absolute value of negative 3.9 is 3.9. So here's our example. If I add 4 plus 3, the answer will be 3 units away from 4 on the number line. So here's 4 plus 3. 1, 2, 3 units away. Also, 4 minus 3 will be 3 units away. 1, 2, 3. Also, 4 plus a negative 3 will be 3 units away. Also, 4 minus a negative 3 will be 3 units away. As long as the second number is 3, it will be 3 units away. If I was doing 4 plus 5, it would be 5 units away. Or 4 plus a negative 5, it would still be 5 units away. The answers might be different, but the distance from 4 will be the same. The point is not if the answer is 1 or 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus a negative 3 is 1. It doesn't matter what the answers are, but what matters in this is that the answer is 3 units away from 4. All right, so that was the first part of the standard. The second part says show that a number and its opposite have a sum of 0, or additive inverses. So every number, positive or negative, has an opposite. Even fractions and decimals have opposites. And we can show the opposites equal 0 on a number line. So the opposite of 4 is negative 4, because 4 plus a negative 4 is 0. And it works the other way too. So the opposite of negative 4 is 0. If I started at negative 4, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. Got you to 0. And the third part of the standard, interpret sums of rational numbers by describing real-world contexts. So you just have to tell a situation that uses opposites equaling 0. If Charlene had a bag with 6 apples and she ate 1 and then gave away 5, how many apples did she have left? You know that 6 is the original number. 5 plus 1 equals 6. That's the number of apples she ate or gave away. 6 minus 6 is 0, so she had no apples left. So that is standard 7.NS.1.B. Understand P plus Q is the number located at distance, the absolute value from P in the positive or negative direction, depending on whether Q is positive or negative. Also, show the number and its opposite have a sum of zero, are additive inverses. Also, interpret sums of rational numbers by describing real-world context. Have fun with this standard. Have a great day. Thank you.